What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another unboxing. I am excited because this one is the one. Oh my days, I have been bidding on it on StockX for the longest, and yeah, finally won. It's inside this box, so we're gonna quickly unbox this. But before we do that guys, I want to wish each and every one of you a merry Christmas and an amazing new year 2024. I'm sure it's gonna be an amazing one. All right, before we get into this, also, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. All right, what's in the box? I got the box with me and lovely knife here. Just gonna cut through it. As I cut through this guys, if you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. All right, let's do this. Yeah, put the knife on the side and bam. Really simple packaging. The shoe in there, get them out, get back on the side, and this is it guys. So this is the Adidas Samba OG from, this one is a special one. This one is from the look at that guys. Notting Hill Carnival edition. Looking amazing guys. Comment down below what you guys think of this one, this colorway. Oh my god, the last few months or the whole of 2023 actually, the Sambas have been coming back hard. Like each and everyone has this, and I like this collaboration they did. It looks like a hummingbird, or what do you guys think? Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. So this one comes in the box with two laces. So you got this the white ones, and you got the black ones also. And yeah, this is the shoe. And on the insoles, let me see if I can get that for you guys. The insole, you got a red insole, and yeah, guys, I got like a stick in there. It's just a sticker on the shoe. Yeah, lovely. I love this patch. It is like, it's like sewed on it. This patch, lovely colorway. So this is shoe number one. I'm gonna put it on the side. You got some shoelaces on the side too. So they come with two shoelaces, and this is the other one, the right shoe. Oh my days, looking lovely, looking amazing. Guys, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the Samba. Do you have a pair? Comment down below. I'll catch you on the next one guys. Just a quick unboxing of the Adidas Samba OG, and this is the Notting Hill Carnival edition. All right, catch you on the next one. Don't forget, be kind to one another.